pag nagbigay ako ng something na personal, na-appreciate niya yun. So, I give this to my partner. It's a way to open up a conversation. And if your partner is sensitive enough to know na, and alam mo, hindi niya to ginagawa sa akin lagi eh. Pero ba't siya nagbigay sa akin ng bulaklak today? Ibig sabihin, meron siyang gustong i-express na baka hindi lang niya ma-express through communication. That for him, and that for the person, that's communication. And that's why it's important for us to understand love in different languages. That it's not just through verbal language, but it's also through non-verbal language, which is what love language is about.
Yeah, but my point is, it's a conversation starter, but will it solve the problem?
Hindi, wala namang sinasabi.
Hindi, kasi nandun ako sa sinasabi, yung sinasabi ko, kahit ano pang pagluluto ang gawin mo, kung may underlying problem, hindi yan masasagot ng all of these different love languages. You still have to talk about it and discuss to fix the problem. That's my point naman. Pinahaba mo lang yung sa'yo. Pero yung sa akin yung...
Hindi, kasi baka ma-devalue yung language na ginagawa ng mga tao in the replacement or at least